Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create Azure virtual machine for Windows 11 operating system. Once you connect to your Azure portal, then click on virtual machines or go to the search resources service and docs, then type for virtual machines. Then click on this virtual machines tab. See, at present I do not have any virtual machine. Just click on create and select virtual machine to create the Windows 11 Azure virtual machine. Here subscription is free trial and resource group is I am giving as select any one of them from the availability. I have selected Azure VMs. Then provide the virtual machine name. I am giving virtual machine name as Windows 11 VM. Then select the region. Then availability options I am going with defaults. Then security type I am going with standard. Then image type. Here by default selected Windows Server 2019 data center, but we have to install Windows 11. So it's not there in the search console. Just click on see all images. Then search for Windows 11 and press enter. See, we have this one. Then click on select. Here we have Pro and Enterprise versions. I am going with Windows 11 Pro generation 2. See, now it is loading. Notice here, now it is loading price for this virtual machine. Also notice it has selected 2 CPUs and 4 gigabytes. If you want to change, just click on all size. These are the available sizes. I am okay with the 2 virtual CPUs and 4 gigabytes RAM. Then select it. Now provide the username for this Windows 11 operating system. I am giving username as Azure VM user 1. Then provide the password for this user. Now we have to select the public inbound ports. I am going with yellow selected ports. Then we have to select the inbound ports. See, we have these inbound ports. By default, it has selected RDP. If you want to select them, just select and click the cursor outside of this one. Here licensing you have to agree. Then click on new disks. Here disk type I am selecting as standard SSD. And encryption type I am going with default one. If you have an existing disk, then select this attach an existing disk. Otherwise click on create and attach a new disk. I am going with default name which picked by Azure. Source type I am going with default one. Now I am going to change this 1 TB to 32 gigabytes. Just click on change size. Select the row and click on OK. See, we have changed it to 32 gigabytes. Again, I am going with default encryption type and enable shared disk. Then click on OK. This is the name of the disk and its size and disk type. Then click on networking. Here I am going with all default ones. Then click on management. Here also I am going with default settings. In advanced tab, same as previously I am going with the defaults. In the tags tab also I am going with the same options. Then click on review and create. See, this is the price per hour. Here this is the subscription type, resource group and virtual machine name, that is Windows 11. Region we have selected and availability options, security type, image is Windows 11 Pro generation 2 and size is 2 virtual CPUs and 4 gigabytes. You can select based on your requirement. And this is the username. Remember this user when we are going to connect to this Windows 11 machine by using RDP client. And these are the other options, disk type and networking, management and advanced options. Just click on create to start the Windows 11 Azure Virtual Machine. See, deployment is in progress. Wait until this deployment completes. See, deployment is succeeded. If you want to create another virtual machine, then click on this create another VM or go to resource by clicking on this tab. See, this is the information about virtual machine. This is the public IP. Now connect to this Windows operating system. Go to run, then type mstsc. Copy this public IP and paste in mstsc here and press enter. Provide the username. Username is Azure VM user 1 and provide the password for this user. Then click on OK. Click on S. I am going with default privacy settings. Then click on accept. See, this is the Windows 11 look and feel. These are the default applications installed with Windows 11. If you want to see the operating system type, just open the file system, right click on PC, properties, see here, edition is Windows 11 Pro. Okay, it is installed on this date and its RAM size is 4 GB and this is the process information and device name is Windows 11 VM. Also we can get this information by Windows Run, then Win1, that is Windows version. See, we have connected to Windows 11 operating system. This is the version and this is OS build number. Click on OK. Now disconnect by typing log off. So in this video we have seen how to create Azure virtual machine for Windows 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to connect to Windows 11 Azure virtual machine. If you are not using it, just click on stop. For more Windows and Azure videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.